What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change states in Whiteout Survival. So you might be wondering, how to exactly change states here in Whiteout Survival? Now the thing with Whiteout Survival here, in order for you to change states, you need to access your settings. So at the top left of your screen, you want to go and click on your profile or your avatar. And you want to go and click on settings at the bottom right here. And from here, you want to go to characters. Now, if you want to change states here, well, in this case, it's not changing states. In order for you to play, or in this case, select a state here, you need to create a new character. So you just need to click on the create new character here, and you should now have the option to enter the state code. You could also choose the state here, as you can see right now. There's a lot of states here, but yeah. So in this case, that's about it. So this is the only option for us to start changing states here. Unfortunately, you need to create a new character in order for you to change states. But in this case, that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.